Hello YouTube, this is Panda. Welcome to the Panda Photographer YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Now, as a travel photographer and documentarian, I want to show you YouTubers how easy it could be set up with just very little. Now, some of the gear might not be little to you, but if you're really serious about the YouTube quality of your channel, you really will put the effort into buying these essential parts or parts like it. But with that said, please do subscribe, like, and share the content. Please leave your thoughts down in the comments down below. You guys want to support the channel. There's a PayPal donation link. So I'm at the Portland Hostel. So I'm in the dormitory. So they cut off the guest house so into next week. So I was here. I've been here since May 11th. Now I had to make do to the size of the room, the size of the table, and as you can see, I used some bungee cords in a model tripod to mount the Aperture 198C to the Godox softbox, which is giving off this nice soft double diffuse light on top. Alright, and here is the most interesting part about this. I can use this set for daytime and nighttime. This is why I have the lights off in the room to show you. So on the corners of these the dividers in the window are the Velcro RB08s. Now as you can see, I got Velcro. So if you guys want to see how I attach it, Velcro on the back, and all I have to do is stick it back, boom, right there in the corner. So gives you lighting on both sides of my faces and will cover the jawline as well. So with that said, then I got a backlight right there, or if I want to turn this light on in the room to separate, which I do like sometimes, I would turn this on to give it the video more separation. Because as you can see through the LED screen, oh, look at that guy. What's that guy doing? Get out my video, dude. But as you can see, here it is. The 80D from Canon with the IRIX 15, very wide enough. As you can see on my display to my computer, looks good, right? Nice, right? I got the film monitor for Neweer F100. I had my fair shares of disappointments with the first two that they came. The first one died within 6 months. The second one died within like 30 days. This one has been surviving ever since 2018. So, and I got a carbon fiber slider, which is overkill for this. But if I want to switch sides or move it over, I can. I also have this micro rail system, still overkill. Like I said, overkill for some people, but for me, I like to push it back a little bit. So if I need to get a little bit forward, this is what happens when I use the micro rail system. So look at the corners here. So if I wanted to come in a little bit, I can. Tighten up those corners a bit, but now I'm going to push it all the way back. I'm going to push it way back. Yeah, I'm going to leave it right there. So I got the ball shotgun microphone, which I'm not going to be using because I have the H4n Pro right here as my microphone for all my live streams. I got a pop filter here. Got my laptop. I got everything hooked. Mouse. Headphones are attached. The chair slides out, comes and goes back in. And this is just the setup. So I'm using the Manfrotto 190 Go tripod still. Keep that in mind. So with that said, everyone, This is my mobile setup for the YouTube studio when I'm doing live streams as a travel photographer and travel YouTuber. So you guys get the sense of how this small space became the YouTube studio for 2 months here in Portland. So with that said, everyone, if you do like the content, please let me know down in the comments below. Please support the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Alright, YouTube has been very disappointing when they haven't still addressed the issue of me losing 25 upload streams, but I digress. Guys, you want to support the channel, the PayPal donation link is there as well. So, with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.